Let's go, baby. Vista, ground and pound, baby.
Let's be on the same page, listen to his cadence, and don't rock. Hold your water.
We got to get the protection, guys. So we're going to use that extra lockup up front.
You run the rock, you catch the rock, you got to be able to block when you're not doing it.
Hey, set the move, smack him up. Smack him up, set the move, y'all. Hit somebody, hit somebody. Hit somebody, y'all. Hey, you big for a corner. You big. Yeah, baby. That's the mother. Hey, money down, let's go. Money down. So Jordan, keep blocking it up. Yeah, baby. What'd I tell you, Bennett? What'd I tell you, Bennett? What'd I tell you?
If he backs off, then if he backs off, you catch that thing now. Dip and get outside.
Okay.
It was a good route. He's playing off. That's going to be wide open for us.
Okay. Yeah, just let you know I'm cutting that short too because he's so far. Hey, right tray gun, 36 down, check 50. Hey, if he's off, it's 50.
That's why you are, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah. Go!
Hurry, Bam.
Angel! Good. Hey, good legs, bro.
I didn't see it, but I heard it was nice.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Knock some heads. Come on.
They're not reacting. You have to now make it to where it looks like a route. So that when you're all doing a route, they don't bite.
Let's go, Grady. Hey, Grady, you got field side.
Let him get some ammo. You still got time left. Yeah. But let him get with it.
Hey. Check pass, check pass. Pass! Right here. Yeah, Jake! Yeah, Justice! Yeah, Justice! Yeah, baby! Right here, Jake! Right here, baby! Hey, watch, that's the quarterback. Hey, watch 7. Watch 7.
Hey, they're gonna have a one-on-one with Jess.
Ball! Yeah! Yeah, baby! We haven't even hit Ohio.
None of that.
The slants.
It's coming too. The main thing is finishing. Catch the ball and finish. He's gonna put it on you.
Okay.
He's getting some confidence right now. He's gonna put
boy.
it on you. Okay? Catch the ball, put it away, and finish.
Right up 50, slip screen left.
Right up 50, slip screen left.
Go right up 56.
Slip screen left.
Slip screen left. Almost. Right up 56. Slip screen left. Almost.
First down. First down. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! What?
Put the ball, hand the ball to us.
I got you, my fault. Yes, sir! 150, bro.
Beautiful, beautiful footwork.
Thank you.
Way to go get the ball.
Appreciate it, coach.
Thank you.
Y'all made that happen. You made that happen. Hey.
Good job.
Come here, brother. You made that happen. We gotta pick it up for defense now.
I know.
Yeah.
I was stopping him up.
So this, we gotta pick him up. Back to back twice, and then we got no huddle. Hey.
Left tray gun, 36 down, check 60.
Left tray, 60 seam, and then Des, where Des? Des, you're attacking the safety on.
Penalty is
Attack the safety.
Right, heavy, skinny, flop, 34 belly.
You gotta keep going. Hey, you gotta keep going.
Oh, dude.
I'll keep it going.
Atta baby.
Hi, Mom. Hey, Mama, what's up? Love you.